In today's world, more and more people are turning to agriculture and growing plants every day. It's not the same as it used to be, where our ancestors did it and did everything by hand. They spent a lot of sweat and fatigue on their work, and it took a lot of time. Now, it's a lot simpler. Machines are taking the throne on such tasks. The old time is gone, and the new is yet to come. Now, all you have to do is sit in the machine and drive it, and it does all the hard work for you. Today, we witness how massive agricultural machines dominate the fields. If you stay with us until the end of the video, we'll reveal something very interesting about agriculture. Trust me, it's worth staying till the end. Carrots, though delicious, are famously tough to harvest due to their firmly embedded roots, which require a bit of hard work to take them out of the ground. The DeWolf Carrot Top Lifter Harvester, on the other hand, harvests them with ease due to its wonderful design. It can, for example, yank up a carrot by its stem so that the entire produce comes out of the ground intact, and it can do it so effectively that it's able to harvest 4 rows of carrots at once. Just imagine how many people and how much time you would need to do this. Well, you've saved a lot of time and money thanks to this machine. Once harvested, the machine removes the stalks and transmits the carrots up onto a conveyor belt where they're gathered into a large bin. While this carrot harvesting machine is quite large, it's also extremely effective, as it can clear 10 to 12 acres of carrot farm in just one day. If you ask us, we highly recommend signing up for these machines if you own a large carrot farm. You've saved a lot of money and time on this machine alone, and we've only just started with the video. Imagine how many people this machine puts out of work. This represents a very significant saving for farmers, and it also increases production because the process goes faster. For decades, this agricultural machine has been a market leader in combine harvesters. The 780 TerraTrack has been in production for over 10 years and is regarded as the model that others strive to equal or improve upon. It features a Stage 3B Mercedes engine with 625 horsepower. Check the engine power, it's like driving a sports car on a field. It also has one of the most ecologically friendly generators, carefully controlling its emissions. Huge power and so friendly to nature, what more could a nature lover want? It also includes a number of new waste prevention technologies, such as variable fan drive, which just delivers as much cooling as the engine requires and is claimed to conserve about 20 horsepower, and the cooling pack, which is horizontally behind the engine rather than vertically to allow for a larger fan. The 780's rear wheels are over 6 feet in diameter to provide increased grip. This implies that the axle has to be supported at 4 distinct locations to prevent the tires from becoming entangled in the body of the combine when rotating. In many aspects, the combine performs the work for itself, and it rarely needs an operator. Sensors all throughout the machine examine the surrounding area, so all the driver has to do is pull up and lower at each end of the pass to unload when necessary and otherwise. It's as simple as selecting a few parameters and clicking the laser pilot button, and the combine will handle the rest. Who would have thought that such a machine could do all this? This very tame giant under your command can do wonders. There's a great variation in its possibilities too, but one thing is certain. With it, every job will be 100% complete because it's predestined for that. This machine is built to transport heavy equipment weighing more than 100 tons. The rear of this machine is outfitted with a hydraulic system. This helps to lower the trailer's height to the ground and raise it when loaded. It may be set to any height using a remote control. When moving, this provides a lot of ground clearance. Just imagine how much this machine facilitates the process of transporting any heavy machine. Some things seem really impossible without it. It's easy to board, can handle a large load, and slowly but surely reach the desired destination. This is often desirable for larger companies that are based on farms, because they often need to transport large and heavy machines from one farm to another, and the managers of such farms are crazy about this machine. This advanced technology automated saw and harvester is manufactured in Canada. Its electronic automated steer allows for micro adjustments, and the hydraulic cutting head with customizable down pressure offers accurate cuts with constant placement and proven automatic flap management. Because it features an efficient gripper head with the squeeze mechanism for precise modifying stacking adjustments, the RoboMax JD always creates a nice pallet. The RoboMax JD is convenient and lightweight to use without losing comfort. It also includes cost-effective software and diagnostics. The pallet injector is customizable and can stack up to 18 various size pallets as well as double-sided pallets. Fallen pallets may be moved away from the cut line using multi-machine operations as well. These rollers are used to produce static pressure vibration and material impact. The oval or rectangular knobs on the top surface of such rollers penetrate the top surface and crush the soil underneath. This loosens the material on top, allowing the layer beneath to be compressed when extra fill is supplied. It's good for granular and cohesive surfaces, but it's not really designed for sandy textures. Since this is an auxiliary material that cannot operate by itself, it's moved by the tractor and its inertia enables it to turn. Just imagine how much easier this makes the job. Levels your entire field in the blink of an eye. It was done differently in the before times, where a lot of time was lost, but not with this machine. Although it's not very fast, the width of the roller covers a large part of the field and therefore the time needed to complete the entire field is reduced. As we promised you at the beginning of the video, now here's a fun fact just for you. This one's about satellites and farming, and trust us, they have a connection. Modern agriculture activity isn't only taking place on the ground. Satellite technology is critical in today's farming technologies. GPS satellites enable tractors to navigate with precise accuracy, ensuring that each row is absolutely straight and properly spaced. It also allows a lot of machines to operate by themselves and independently of a farmer. It's like farming in sync with the stars. We believe that you've now convinced yourself how important these machines are in this field and why farmers are crazy about them. It's no wonder why there's so much demand for these machines when everything seems easy with them, from land maintenance to the transfer of huge machines. Simply, as time goes by, manufacturers find a machine for every problem you have, no matter what it is. If you like this video and want more content like this, hit that like and subscribe button. Leave us a comment on which of these huge agricultural machines you like the most. We'd love to hear your opinion. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.